emails, I get paid. I can't believe this life is real.
Thanks for putting something out there that actually really works.
There's a reason these folks are so excited. It's because they're making money they never dreamed they'd make, doing just about the easiest thing in the world to do, and they only work about half an hour per day. Here's your chance to pull in this kind of money too, spending 25 to 30 minutes a day max from the comfort of your home. Listen to what Sarah has to say about her experience.
Before I found paid to send email, I was struggling to find a job that paid enough for me to afford my bills. I actually had to move back to my mom's, and it was just embarrassing to have to live back at home. Now, thanks to you, I just moved into a brand new apartment. Next week, I'm going to buy my first new car in cash. Plus, I know I never have to work for anyone else ever again. Thank you for this.
So let me ask you something here. Have you ever sent an email before? Of course you have. Everybody has. Even my 14-year-old daughter, who lives in the generation of Snapchatters and Instagrammers, sends emails every day. Whether you're at home on your laptop or PC or out and about on a mobile device, it only takes a few minutes to knock out an email and be on your way. What you may not know is that you can get paid for sending out short emails. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, just like me and my members do. Have a look at what I recently made in a week, sending out a small handful of emails. Emails that I didn't even have to write. And here's how much I pulled in last month. Again, all from just sending out some simple emails. You don't want to spend 12 long months testing, tweaking, and perfecting. You want success right now. You want to be making $500 to $600 per day starting as soon as tomorrow, don't you? Good, because I'm going to hand you my very own proven system. I'm going to show you everything. And this is so simple and easy to follow that anyone can do it. Mark had never made a cent online before he found my system. Now look at him.
I just got back from vacation, and I think it was actually free thanks to paid to send email. I sent a few emails before I left and didn't even think about turning on my computer while I was in the Bahamas. Long story short, when I got back, I had more money in my bank account than when I left. Guys, this works even better than I ever dreamed it would. Thanks so much. I'm ready for more.
By now I'm sure it's plain to see that it doesn't matter what experience you have. You don't need any special skills, and you only need 25 to 30 minutes a day. Because what I'm going to reveal to you is simple. It's fast, and it gets you paid, often within a couple of days of getting started. Introducing Paid to Send Email, the only true push-button money program available anywhere. This is everything you've been looking for. It's a complete step-by-step package that shows you exactly how to make a very easy $500 to $600 every single day. You'll get access to everything. I reveal it all. And, better yet, you'll never have to stock any inventory, you won't deal with customers, and you certainly don't have to get on the phone to talk to people or try and sell them anything. It's as simple as this. You'll go to very specific websites I tell you to go to. Those websites will have the exact email messages that you'll need to send, and you'll simply copy and paste those messages into your email system. I'll show you how to do it all. No holds barred. There is literally nothing left to chance. I'm going to hold your hand and walk you through it. You won't have to spend a year of your life learning how to do this like I did. You can start making money as soon as this week, and you can do it even if you've never made a dime online before in your life. With my program, it's practically impossible to fail. In fact, I'll just put my money where my mouth is and make you this promise. If you don't make money with my paid to send email program, I'll refund every cent, anytime within 60 days. I'll shoulder all the risk so you don't have to.
Please click the link in the description to see full review and discount of paid to send email program.